Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. I wanted to share with you guys my hotel, the experience, and just what it's like to be at this hotel in Nags Head, North Carolina. So we decided to book for our vacation. We ended up staying at the Dolphin Oceanfront Motel. So let me just say to you guys, there's really not a difference between hotel and motel. At the end of the day, this was a great place to stay at. This is why I'm giving the review. Before going on vacation, I looked up plenty of videos for this place, what they have inside, just so that I know. I even went based off of their website, which is dolphinmotel.net. I also just searched it up and did like reviews on all of this before hitting the submit button for our hotel. So this motel is called Dolphin Oceanfront Motel. It is the Outer Banks oceanfront vacationing at its best. It is it's great to experience all that the Dolphin Oceanfront Motel has to offer, such as an oceanfront wide beachfront, large outdoor pool, picnic areas with grills that you guys can use, and it's just steps from Sam and Omi's restaurant, which looked really good. I did look at the menu for that. It is close to Body Island Lighthouse, Jockey Ridge State Park, and historic Manteo. Manteo is where the aquarium is. It is also pet-friendly rooms, free Wi-Fi, and HD TV. They definitely have recently remodeled these rooms because I did see the upgrade from back then to now. So this motel is located near Jeanette's Pier. All I'm going to say is it has plenty of space. There's very limited parking spaces, but that's okay because majority of everybody leaves out during the daytime, and then they are it gets limited towards the afternoon. So one thing I will say is that it is about 12 minutes from Body Island Lighthouse. It is about a 5-minute walking distance to Body Island, to Jeanette's Pier. And then there's great outlet malls about 5 minutes away. And then, like I said, majority of like souvenir shops, food such as Sonic and things like that. But anyways, let's just get right into this hotel walkthrough, and I will show you guys everything from first getting in there to what is in the room, also to us actually being in the room with a family of 4 while on vacation there. Okay, so we reached our destination of the Dolphin Motel around 4:30 p.m. We were in room number 14. We did get a key to our room. The outside of the motel rooms have a bunch of lawn chairs where you guys can sit out and enjoy yourselves and allow your stuff to dry. Inside the motel room, they have two amazing pictures up on the wall. There's 2 full beds. There is a lamp that has wall plugins, and then there's a dresser where you can pull the thing out and then put stuff in. They also had a full dresser with the TV on top, as well as a table and 2 chairs, a coffee maker, microwave, and a refrigerator. The refrigerator does have a freezer part to it. So this is the bathroom where we ended up having to keep some of our stuff until it dried. We also ended up having the toys that needed to be dried and stuff like that. Sand got everywhere, but it does have a broom and dustpan. And this is the awesome view that you guys can see from the parking lot. So to give you guys a real feel of what it was like for a family of 4 in this motel room, I just wanted to show you guys basically the cleanup of things and us getting ready to go home. So this was Thursday night where I was trying to go ahead and prepare everything to be reorganized so that we can fit everything into the trunk. So there were things in the room that we still needed for the next day, so I just decided to leave those to the side. You know, things such as like toothbrush, lotion, stuff for my hair, maybe some ibuprofen, headphones, masks, things like that. Now, like I said, we have to get all of this stuff into the car And like I said, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the room. It had a nice mirror over top of the table and chairs. It also came with a few hangers where you can put shoes up here and hang things up. It does have AC on the inside, and it definitely can get pretty nippy in there. The refrigerator and freezer definitely were working. Only thing is the trash can was small. We did bring 2 margaritas with us, and we did bring some drinks. We bought water, and then we bought things for the kids to drink, such as Kool-Aid jammers. The microwave does work. We just did not use it to heat up any food. We didn't use it to make anything, but it was clean. It was, nice. And then we didn't get the chance to use the coffee because we didn't bring any creamer, and I'm one for vanilla creamer, but this was really nice. You just take these out the pack and then you slide it into the coffee maker. Again, they did have a couple of hangers where you can hang it up on that, and then you get a good view of the room. And it also has great shade, as well as an outlook into the parking lot, so you can look at your car at all times. Had really great pictures displayed. So like I said, it's just really time to get ready to go. So I'm going to go ahead and try my best to clean up the room and get things going. On this trip, I did bring some sanitary wipes, and I wiped down the dresser, I wiped down the table, I wiped down the remotes, I wiped down everything in the bathroom, you name it. So like I said, it has a dresser. You can use the dresser to put your stuff in. They didn't give us very many towels. I did have to go up and ask for towels, but at least everything was there, and we enjoyed our stay. The shower, water comes above your head. Really nice bathroom. It was very clean. When you stay at this motel, you put your trash out the next day. They will come by and get it, as well as your dirty towels. And they also gave these as complimentary items for our motel, but we did not use them. We bought our own. The only thing is that the shower is really small. Water is going to get everywhere, but it really is great to get all the sand down the drain. So I'm going to go ahead and get ready to get all of this stuff packed up. Thanks for watching.